All right, today's lesson will be getting quadratic equations in standard form. Okay, this is standard form. Okay, when we put equations in standard form, it allows us to use the quadratic formula, among other things. So in order to get equations in standard form, we're going to learn the steps to do that. Now, if you look over here, there's three equations, A, B, and C. Figure out which equation is not standard form. If you pick B, you'd be correct. Okay, these are standard form. This would actually be vertex form. Okay, so we want to get our equations to look like this in the end. So you may get an equation that's in factored form. You may be given an equation that's in vertex form, and we need to be able to convert it. So the question is, how do you convert it? Well, it's all about multiplying. So for our first example, which is in your packet, number 1, it's on the front side, all the way on the bottom. We're going to look at how to take factored form, and we're going to write this in factored form, and we're going to change it to standard form. So in this case here, you got to look, what we're doing here is we just need to multiply these. Okay, this is multiplication, and yes, you'll need to do your foiling or your boxes. So I'm going to show you with the boxes. So this will be x and minus 3, and this will be 2x and 1. So when I multiply these, I get 2x squared, negative 6x, x, and negative 3. So I looked here, oh, that's my only x squared term. These are like terms, add them together, minus 3. Okay. Now I have an equation from factored form to standard form. Okay. This would be a great example of a 3.5 problem on your quiz this Friday. All right, now that we've done that, let's go ahead and do another 3.5. If you want, you can pause the video and you can look at the example just to the right in your packet, and that'll be another good example of a 3.5. All right, we're now going to skip down to problem number 3 in your packet, because 3 is going to be another 3.5 problem. So I want to stick with just the 3.5 level problems. So we just looked at factored form, the standard form. Now we're going to look at vertex form. Okay, vertex form, here's your vertex example. The biggest student mistake out there is they think that this is x squared plus 7 squared. Because they see this square and think, oh, I'm going to distribute it. But that's wrong. Whenever you square something, it means you're multiplying by itself. So it's really x plus 7 times x plus 7. So you can't just say that. You actually have to factor or FOIL this out or create your box. So when I do this, I get x plus 7, and I realize I get more than just an x squared and a 7 squared. I get this middle part. So this will be equal to x squared plus 14x plus 49. And if you just square this, and the x and the 7, you skip that. Now, the thing about when you're given vertex form is a lot of times at the end you'll have this minus 4. Just get a mark that works. So these are like terms. So you have that one extra step that we didn't have last time. 49 by 7 would be 45. All right, just to the right in your packet of number 3, you'll see another one that would be like a 3.5 level. So go ahead and do that. After you've completed that problem to the right, you can go on to the next video that's going to show you how to do the 4.25 problems. The 4.25 problems in your packet are actually going to be numbers 2 and 4. So that ends this video. And once again, when you finish those, come back to the next one.